Versatile Muslima. Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Vegetables are really important for us, not only to maintain a healthy weight, but to lead a healthy life. Don't think that you can only have raw vegetables. We Pakistanis and Indians, we love our roti salan. But we should learn to cook our sabzis and vegetables in a healthy way. For this recipe, I am going to be using 1.5 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. You can also use desi ghee. Add 1 medium grated onion. Then add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Add water because we are using really less oil. I am using chicken mince here. You can also use chicken instead. Chicken stock cube is optional. 1 medium chopped tomato. Now add turmeric powder, cumin powder and coriander powder, red chili and black pepper. Add water and cook for a few minutes. You can also add any other vegetable of your choice. My vegetables were cooked after 20 to 25 minutes. I added more salt and curry powder, also known as garam masala. Because we added water in this recipe, there will be water in the vegetables. Make sure you cook them so the water dry. Our vegetable is ready. Please try this recipe and share your experience. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. I'll see you soon with a new video. Jazakallah for watching.